Just got done installing the pistons on the connecting rods, and see, these are flipped right over here. So this is number 6, this is number 5. So what I did, this is the front right here with that little marking, and this is the rear. So that means this faces rear of the engine, this right here faces the front of the engine. And then you see how that wrist pin has no marking, and then that one has marking. I just put it all in the front, facing towards the front, as you can see here. Same on here. And the exhaust, the intake and exhaust, the intake is bigger and then the exhaust is smaller. So, but yeah, you know, I had the wrist pin clips put in too. They were kind of a hassle, but you know, you just use a screwdriver. They have the little indents right over there. So yeah, no, sorry I couldn't record the whole thing. It was just time consuming and I'm in a rush. So that's it. Yeah, make sure you check the markings. Make sure you pay attention to the numbers. You know, 6, and this one should be 5. So yeah, and don't mix up the nuts either. These are ARP. I'm gonna torque these when they're in the block. I'm gonna start with 20, 35, and then 50. 50 is the final torque. And then I'm gonna put the not bushing, but the bearings right now. So yeah, that'll be in the next video. Alright, and then I got to do the rings too. So just got the rings put in. Now it's time for the bearings. So as far as I know, actually I can't even hold the camera and pull my finger at the same time, but this is facing the front of the engine. So lower oil control ring goes here, upper oil control ring goes there, second ring goes right over here, and the first ring, top ring, goes over here. When I say the ring, I mean the end gaps. So, and then the that little oil control ring, the little wiggly one, squiggly one right there, I put that right under or facing the ring, the gap facing this way, up by number 1. So, but yeah, I couldn't find anything really on there, so I just copied a 2J Supra. So, but yeah, that's what I was talking about when it comes to the rings. So I've got the pistons installed. Forged pistons, bored out to 20 thousandths, making it 83.5 cylinder. So, but yeah, what I did was I got this ARP 83.5. Highly recommended tool. I hope to never use this again. I never want to dig into the engine like this again. There's all this work. But yeah, no, if you're gonna do this once, you can get the ARP. They've also got a Wiseco one too. Yeah. So forged pistons. It was either, my machinist gave me the option of a D&J or the forged, and sure enough, I said, you know what, let's go forged. I don't want to be that one who drives and, you know, peace of mind, and oh man, I got cheap pistons on there. So